Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Destiny Credit Code. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser in the search box at the top, type in Destiny Credit Card Login and press enter. Right on the next page, you'll be able to see all of the search results that are displayed according to your search. Simply go ahead and click on this Destiny card link, which will take you to www.destinycode.com, or you can simply type in this URL soon after you open up your web browser. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the home page of Destiny. Go and click on this My Account button in the upper right-hand corner and you'll end up in the login area. Start by entering your username in the first text box that says usually, and then head over to the password field. Type in your password as well. Make sure to type it in correct. Double check your password by clicking on this icon in the right corner. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, simply click on this link that says Forgot Your Username or Password. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. After filling all the information in the text boxes, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Destiny credit card account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it has been, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.